Hi there, and welcome to Art from the Cottage. So today I painted a couple of those 6x6 any occasion cards, and I've done it in earth tones. I probably will do some more vibrant colours for people that like vibrant colours. I'll do that tomorrow. And so now I'm just preparing the basis of the card, and then I can put some designs on top of it. So I've got a really lovely rusty, or rusties and dark browns and colours, and I've put in some gold on here. I've started with the background of orangey sort of brown, and I'm going to the lighter shades now. Going for some design now. Some part of it I've done myself, and part of it is like a stamp. You can see that dark, very dark background there. Here's my famous signature black and gold. Can't go without black and gold. I usually write the text myself, but these cards are so small that, you need some very small text, so I use a stamp for that. You can see them coming together now. You get 2 or 3 parts of the card done, and you suddenly see it developing. you know, they say less is more. Well, not in this case, it's not. More is more, definitely. I just hate to waste paint, so quite often you'll see me use another card just to mop up some of the paint. Especially as an underlayer, it looks great, absolutely great. Come on, you know you need more black. Just get it out of your system. It's coming together lovely, really good. Happy with it. Of course, I'll keep adding to it. I can't leave it alone, of course. The bronze on this piece is absolutely beautiful. You can't beat it really. Bronze, black, gold, and cream. It's beautiful. You can't really beat that. I think I tend to stick to a few colours and a lot of design. That's what I'm seeing here, sort of sitting back and thinking about it. Not, you know, every colour of the rainbow. It's just certain colours that go together, but lots of design work. And I think that's what makes me like them so much. And of course, you're not restricted to cards. You can do designs for journals, for scrapbooking, even for fabric. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, hope you've got something from it, and it would be absolutely amazing if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel if possible. I'd really appreciate that. So I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from Cornwall.